This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Empty the bag and remove straps, inserts, or dry bags. Do it quickly so dirt is obvious. Once open, unzip and open valves to let water reach seams. This prevents trapped grit. Rinse inside and out with lukewarm water using a gentle, low-pressure stream. This loosens salt and mud without stressing welds. Make sure to check pockets and the base. If debris remains, tap and shake, then move directly to the cleaning step. Now you mix a mild soap solution, about 1 teaspoon per 1 ell of water, because harsh cleaners degrade coatings. Dip a soft brush or non-abrasive sponge and scrub seams, zippers, and visible stains. Work in circular motions to lift grime without abrading the fabric. For oil-based stains, blot with a small amount of dish soap, then rinse. Once done, rinse thoroughly until no suds remain. Make sure you remove all residue, since leftover soap can attract dirt later. Finish by turning the bag inside out and hanging it open in shaded airflow. You need it fully dry, usually 12-24 hours, because moisture invites mold. Once dry, apply a light silicone or paraffin lubricant to zippers to maintain smooth operation, then reattach any removed parts. If you find lingering odors or persistent stains, repeat the cleaning cycle or apply a baking soda paste to problem areas. Let sit. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.